Are you looking for the ultimate protection for your Google Pixel 8 Pro? Well, look no further. Our friends over at Armadillotek sent us a CaseBorne product to protect this device. Now, if you go to getcaseborne.com, I will link this item in the description box of this video, but I also have a promo code for you. If you input eSIM10 in the promo code slot, you will get a special discount. Again, it's eSIM10. I will also put that in the description box as well. Now, they sent this over in exchange for a fair and honest review of this item. As you know, nobody does case reviews better than eSIM Studios. Let's throw it on. All right, so in the box, you get a very protective case. Now, as you know, I've been using this for a few days already, and I like to use the cases before I actually review it, so I can give you my honest review. Nice little setup here. You get the CaseBorne box. You get a little thank you card. Thank you from Dallas, Texas, right down the street. So this includes 2 screen protectors. It includes the very protective case with a belt clip. What do you know? Very nice to have. It's been a while since I've had one, and it's actually nice to use, especially if you're outdoors and work outdoors or go hiking or whatever you do. If you any activity, it's nice to have a belt clip there. Now, this also has a MagSafe magnet here for you for easy usage with that as well. And you get this installation kit for each screen protector, as I mentioned here. And another little thank you card. Okay, let's throw this thing on. Now, as I get ready to put this on, I did notice that they do offer a limited lifetime warranty for your device. Now, when you do purchase this case, please register your product on their website at getcaseborne.com. And this thing is military grade. I mean, my goodness, this is a tough phone case. Definitely built to endure any environment. Now, the installation of this is fairly easy. This obviously goes on last, or, you know, if you want to use that with a belt or however you want to carry your device, we'll just move that to the side. Now, this goes on pretty easy. I went ahead and put on the screen protector here. Went ahead and skipped over that. Nobody wants to watch a screen protector install, but it does come with 2 screen protectors. So what you do, simply strap this on first, this little bracket, right? And then you're going to put this inside the case. So just goes on like this. Put the bottom in first, push it in, make sure that's on, and just snap it on, and then just double check that everything is on nice and tight. Cool. Wow, look at that. My goodness, that is a tough phone case. I would say you are basically protected from any and all accidents, drops, basically anything. My goodness. Now, it's the attention to detail is pretty serious. It looks like they spent some time here in the R&D department designing this, because look at this. The mic is a absolute. Now, this is a thick case, right? You could basically endure anything with this on, but look at the attention to detail. It's a very thick case, but look at that mic cutout up top. You have the cutouts down there for your speaker, microphone, and you have the classic pop out, protect your power and USB Type-C cable port for dust and debris. When you're not using the power, you can simply plug it like this. And do I have a cable here? I sure do. Let's try it out. Look, this will definitely fit any and all cables, but let's just give one a try. I do have the stock cable that came with the phone, and we will give this a trial. I will also do a wireless charging test, but let's give this a try real quick. Fits in perfect. Definitely fits perfect. Sweet. So that will not be an issue. Now, look at the lip protection. It has look at that. Your screen will be safe. Definite rise above the screen, so you're not going to scratch the screen when you lay face down. It's raised all the way around on all four sides. Look at that. Now, look at the back. The camera sensors are also protected. It rises probably about 1 millimeter above. So that is definitely going to be safe. Not going to scratch it if you put it on any surface, laying it on its back. Now, this is a combination of polycarbonate and TPU materials have been transitioned to utilize sustainable materials. Cool. Yeah, this is definitely a badass case. Now, let's put it in here and try. I believe you can put it in both ways. When I was using it yesterday, you think I was, let's see, if it was like this on my hip, had it just like that. Goes in nice and easy. Actually, you know what? It was the other way, because that's where the volume rocker is. It was like this. There we go. Goes on nice and easy. Makes for easy access. Carry your phone on your hip. Easy access, and it comes out easy as well. See? Now, this is not movable. I don't believe you can turn it sideways. I had it just like this. Yeah, so I had it like that on my hip. And you take it out. Boom. Just like that. Nice and easy. Let's test the wireless charging. All right, I got the wireless charger plugged in. Got the device here, and it has a MagSafe magnet in there. Watch. See, it's pretty strong too. And this isn't even a MagSafe product. And look, it's a very, very strong magnet. Yep, what do you know? It works. So wireless charging works. The USB Type-C cable works. It's going to protect you from any type of drops. You got accessibility with the belt clip here. You get the provided screen protector, 2 of them. So you are basically covered from any and all accidents. If you want to protect your device, this is definitely the case to get, at least the one I would choose, because here's why. Not only is there great attention to detail with the precise cutouts, and you get grips here on the sides, you get extra protection on all 4 corners with these little bumps. Now look, I'm not the one to normally buy bulky cases. You all know that. I've mentioned that numerous times. However, if I were to buy a super protective case, it would probably be this one. Now, and here's the reason. Because it doesn't feel that bulky, but it also provides maximum protection, right? And it's grippy too. It's real grippy. You got grips on this left side. You get grips on this right side. Let's test the clickies. Ready? I'm gonna have to hold it next to my microphone. So you hear it's nice and clicky. It looks good. It feels good. And don't forget, eSIM10 is the discount code at getcaseborne.com. I will link everything down in the description box that you will need, and your phone will be protected from any and all accidents and the environment, because it does keep the dust and dirt and debris out from the charging port down there. So very, very nice case. Very impressed. I really, really appreciate it from our friends over at Armadillotek. Thank you very much. Take care.